Okay, so the first question is factorize 6x cube minus 5x square minus 13x plus 12. Next is, first do the first one and let me know once you are done. I'm just adding the next over here. Verify x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equals to 1 by 2 x plus y plus z in one bracket, and in other bracket we are having x minus y square plus y minus z whole square plus z minus. Okay, first do this two questions, then I'm giving you more. Then once we'll be done with these questions, then we can start the next topic. Are you able to do it, the first one?
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Ma'am, done.
Done? Both?
Yes, ma'am, both the questions.
Okay. Anam, you are saying, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, Anam, let's wait for a few minutes. Other student, let them do. Samya, Sara, Shad. Can you identify the question, Sad? Are you there? Yes, Shad. You are not there? Can you identify the question? Okay, you are doing it. Do it. Done. Saad, Samya, Sara. Who else is there? Mohammad Rafi. Are you done?
Ma'am, I'm doing.
Okay, do it. Can we discuss it over here? Let's discuss it. Okay, whoever have already finished, okay, check it. Have you done it like this or what? So we are having 6x cube minus 5x square minus 13x plus 12. Okay, we have to factorize it. I'm not sure whether the same question or the different question we have discussed. But I have told you that whenever we are having cubic as polynomial, then it is really difficult to do the factorization. When it is quadratic, then splitting the middle term will work most of the time. Or maybe factorization we will be able to do by using identities or anything. But when we are having cubic polynomial, it will be really difficult to do the factorization. Here, what we will do, trial and error method we will take, random x value we will be taking, and we will check whether that can create the output as a 0 or not. The whole polynomial will become 0 or not. So randomly, I'm not sure. If we are taking x as a 1, then let's check, are we going to get 0? Let's check. So, just a second. Yeah. If we will be taking x as a 1 over here. See, 1 cube is just 1 only. That's why directly I am writing 1. Minus 13 plus 12. Are we going to get 0? That's what I am checking. Here 5 is there. So 6 minus 5 minus 13 plus 12. 12 plus 6, 18. 13 and 5, 18. Yeah, we are getting 0. X equals to 1 we have substituted and we are getting 0. So we can say x minus 1 is one of the factor. Okay. We got one of the factor. Now the purpose is to get the other factors also. X minus 1 is one of the factor we are getting from here. Wait. Let's continue. Here only I will show you everything. So x minus 1 is one of the factor. We will write it over here. Other factors, still we have to figure it out. That we can figure it out by doing the division. Let's divide it. Let's divide the polynomial by x minus 1. I don't know why everything is... Yeah, divide the polynomial by x minus 1. X 6x cube minus 5x square we are having minus 13x plus 12. We will divide the given polynomial with x minus 1 because that is one of the factor. The quotient will be the other factor. Yes, definitely we must get the remainder as a 0 since we are saying that x minus 1 is a factor. So let's do it. What shall we take over here? Samya?
Yes, ma'am.
What shall we take in the quotient part, the first term? What
Ma'am,
should be
6.
my 6x square? Yeah. It will be 6x cube minus 6x square. We will take the subtraction sign, which will change the other sign as well. 6x square minus 5x square is just x square minus 13x we are having. Now, what can we take over here?
Ma'am, x square.
X square or just x?
Just x. Minus
Just
x.
plus x or minus x?
Plus x.
Plus x we will be taking because here plus 6x square minus 5x square is plus x square we are having. Okay. So
Yes,
we are getting plus x square minus x. And again we will do the subtraction. Due to subtraction we have to change the sign. This minus x became plus x. So minus 13x plus x is what? Yes,
And minus 12x.
minus
And
12.
minus 12.
Yeah. And then plus 12 is still we are having that we need to copy down. Okay. What shall we take over here?
Minus 12.
Minus 12. You can check remainder. We are getting 0. We need to find the other factor. We got it. That is 6x square plus x minus 12. Now still we can do the factorization of this part 6x square plus x minus 12 by splitting the middle term. Let's split the middle term. 12 into 6, whatever be the number we want to get 1. Okay, first we need to do the factorization of 12 into 6. 12 into 6, that is 12 5 times 60, 12 6 times 72. 72 we need to do the factorization in such a way so that those two numbers added or subtracted together will make 1. So that is very clear to us. 72. What can be taken? What can be taken? AC is 12 into
8
6.
and 9.
Yes, exactly. 9 and 8. 9x, 8x plus x we need. So plus 9x minus 8x. Okay, like this we will be having x minus 1 we will be having. And then we will take out common. What can be taken out common? Tell me. From the first two terms.
3x.
Yes, 3x. And what will be remaining in the bracket?
2x plus 3.
2x plus 3. We have taken 3x common. From the other two terms, what can be taken out common?
Minus 4.
Exactly, minus 4. And we are done with the factorization. This is called factorization. Something into something into something. We are done with the factorization. Any confusion? Anam, you have got the same, right, Anam?
Yes.
Yeah. Yes. Any confusion? Anyone having any confusion over here?
No, ma'am.
Let's do the next one. We are having x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equals to whatever is there. If we will focus on simplifying the right hand side part, so we are having 1 by 2 x plus y plus z in the bracket, and then we are having x minus y whole square. Can we write this x minus y whole square as a square minus 2ab plus b square? Can we?
Yes, ma'am.
Similarly, let's expand the other terms as well. So we will be having y square minus 2yz plus z square. Similarly, let's expand the other term also. So we will be having z square minus 2zx plus x square. Now tell me what are we going to get from here after simplifying it? Open the bracket not needed because all are in addition. When all are in addition, we don't have to be careful. But when subtraction sign is there in between, then definitely we will be careful. Tell me what are we going to get in the rectangular bracket, this big bracket? What are we going to get over here?
2x square
2x square
plus 2y square
plus 2y square
plus 2z square
plus 2z square
minus 2xy
minus 2xy
minus 2yz
minus 2yz
minus 2zx.
minus 2zx. Everyone is getting the same?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. Now 2 we can take out common from the other bracket, right? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
We can take the 2 common from this big bracket, the rectangular bracket, and we will left with x square plus y square plus z square minus, and the 2 which we have taken out common, that will get cancelled out with the denominators too. And we are just left with x plus y plus z in one bracket, and in the other bracket x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. That's what we wanted to prove. Let's check it whether it is exactly same as a left hand side or not. So no, in the left hand side we are having x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. Do we have any formula? Do we have? Can we say this is equals to x square plus y square plus z, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz? Can we?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, we can say that we know there is a formula. This is equals to x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. And hence we are done with getting the left hand side. Right hand side is equals to left hand side. We have done the verification. Clear?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Now the next one. Which of the following is an irrational number? If you understand irrational, then you will be able to answer. Root 25, root 36 by 4, root 12, root 225. Tell me,
Under root 12.
is it so? I'm not sure. Mohammad Rafi, which one is an irrational over here? And if you are going to answer, you have to answer it. Why? Yes, Mohammad Rafi, please answer it. Are you there? Okay, Hanan, you are also there. Noah? Noah, you are there?
Yes, ma'am.
Wait, you are from class 10, right? Right, Noah? Yes, I'm coming, Sarah. Yes, Noah, you are from class 10, right? After this one, we are having your batch.
Yes, I joined.
Okay. Here, class 9 class is going on, Noah. Okay. Now, Sarah said something. Let me check. Yes, Sarah, please.
Ma'am, square root 12 is
Why?
if you prime factorize it, we will get an odd power. That's why.
Your voice became very low. Can you please repeat, Sarah?
Ma'am, if we prime factorize the under root 12, then we will get an odd power. That's why it is an irrational number.
Exactly. And rest of the term are perfect square number, which we can take it out from the square root sign. So hence, all are rational except root 12. Anyone having any confusion over here? Anyone?
No, ma'am.
Okay,
No, ma'am.
let's continue. Let's do the factorization of this one. Yes, Saad, are you familiar with these questions? Yes, Shad, are you there?
Ma'am, done.
Done. I'm
Yes.
coming. Yes, exactly. Then you must do Shad at first only. If you are already familiar with these questions. I when I got the paper, I just like I thought I'll discuss, and then I completely forgot. And then I reminded by my team that I need to discuss the questions with you. So can you tell me any particular question which is not that clear to you? So that I can take it over here. I can see the concepts, all the concepts, whatever is going to be used to solve each question. We have discussed everything in detail in our class, right, Saad? What will be the answer for this one? Please tell me. Okay, do it. Are you done? Anyone, please respond. Okay, let's do it. Anam, are you done, Anam?
Yes, ma'am, I did, but I think one or more terms, like in the X, Y, and Y, Z, should be positive.
Okay, here. Okay, let me check have I written it correctly or not. Let me match it first. Then only we will discuss. 4x square plus 3y square plus 16z. Oh yeah, thank you. Thank you so much for reminding. Yeah, one of the sign I have copied incorrectly. Okay, it will be positive. Yeah, let's do it quickly. 2x whole square we can write. Okay, then this one, any numbers square. So we know that 3 can be written as root 3. Okay, root 3y whole square we can write it. Now which one is positive, which one is negative, still we are not sure about that. We will figure it out later. Okay, and then we will put the sign inside the bracket. 16z square we can write it as a 4z complete square. Now we will try framing 2xy, 2yz, 2z. There was a formula for x plus y plus z whole square. X square plus y square plus z square, 2xy, 2yz, 2zx plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. That formula, this one's formula. X plus y plus z whole squares formula we are trying to create over here. Okay. So this one we will try writing 2 into xy is there. So the first term 2x and then the second term that is root 3y. I am writing by looking at our first term and second term. Okay, don't check with the question. Leave the questions part for now. Just forget about this part. Forget about this part and look at your first term, your second term and try writing 2ab by yourself or 2xy by yourself and then match it up with the questions part, that is it exactly matching or not. So here we can see that yeah, it's exactly matching. Okay. Similarly, we will try making the second, but there is a negative sign. So now we got to know in between first and second term, any term is negative. Due to that only we are getting the negative over here. Okay, still we are not sure. Now 8 root 3 yz is there. We will try making 2yz by ourselves. So 2 into the second term into third term. Now we will match. Is it same? The term is same or not? Then we will come to sign. The sign is also same. So yeah, 2 into 4, 8. 8 root 3 yz. Yes, exactly we have made the term. Okay. Now sign, here sign is positive. So two possibilities are there. Either both terms are negative or both are positive. Okay, either both are negative or both are positive. These two are the possible cases. Now let's write the last term also, then we will think about the sign. So last term will be 2yz. So wait, 2xy, 2yz, 2zx. Sorry. Last term will be 2zx. So this term 4z into this term 2x. It's 2x. 2 into 4, 8. 8 into 2, 16. 16zx. Are we having such term in the questions part? Yes, 16zx is there. But again, it's negative. Now, who will say that which term is negative and which term is positive? Anam, have you figured it out which term is negative and which term is positive?
Yes, ma'am.
Which term is negative and which term is positive?
Ma'am, 2x is positive while under root 3y and 4z are negative. Basically, x is positive and y and z are negative.
Okay, let's check it. So We are having 2 into 2x into root 3y. This is negative. This is negative. So among these two, any one is negative. Any one is negative. Okay, let's check. Let's take the first one as a negative and second one positive. Let's check the next term. 2, this one. 8 root 3 yz. This is positive. I said there can be only two possibility. Either both are positive or both are negative. These two are the possibility. Then only this term will come out as a plus. Okay. Let's check the last term. The last term is 16zx. Okay. 16zx we are having. 16xz we are having. That is negative. Negative means any one is like one of them is positive, one is negative. Like this one and this one, two terms we are having. First and last term. One of them is positive, one is negative. One is positive, one is negative. So the chances are, yes, Anam, can we take first term as a negative, second as a positive, third as a positive? Can we? Can we? Will it work? Let's check. Let's check. Okay. Minus 2x square, 4x square, 3y square, 16z square. Then 2ab, this will become negative due to the first term's negative. Then the next two terms multiplied together, both are positive, the result is positive. Then last two terms multiplied together, the result will be negative. So can we take this 2x as a negative? What you have taken, Anam? This only?
No, actually,
You
I've
tell me
taken
your way.
positive.
I will check whether that is possible or not.
Yes, ma'am. I've taken 2x as positive while under root 3y and 4z are negative.
Okay, let's check it. A square, that means 4x square. B is the second term is square, 3y square, 16z square. 2ab, 2ab, yeah, it will come out as a negative. Negative 4 root 3xy. 2bc, yeah, it will come out as a positive. Yes, this is, I can see this is also one of the possible case. Can you see it? This is y, this is z. Okay. And the last term will be 2zx. Okay. That will also be negative. Yeah. Whatever I have taken, I am taking that it is minus 2x plus 3y plus 4z whole square. Is it working, Anam? Check it.
Yes, ma'am. I think this is also one of the ways.
Yeah, this is also one of the way. Basically, why we are getting different possibility, I will show you why we are getting. Okay, she has taken 2x. Anyone is getting either the first, which I have written, this one, or maybe whatever she have done, she has done this one, 2x minus root 3y minus 4z whole square. These two are exactly same thing. Now let me tell you why. Okay, whatever I have written from here, if you will take negative common, negative will also take the power 2. Okay, for now, if you have taken the negative common, write it by taking one more bracket. Okay, then this minus 2x will be just 2x, plus 3y will be minus 3y, plus 4z will be minus 4z, and that's having square. And this negative which you have taken out as a common factor, the negative 1 you can take as a common. This negative 1 which you have taken as a common, that will also take the power 2 and will become positive. That's why her answer and my answer is exactly same. Am I making sense to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So even if you are getting whatever I have written, or maybe you are getting whatever she has done, it's exactly the same thing. See, in mathematics, we say that when a minus b whole square is there, or maybe b minus a whole square is there, it's the same thing. It's the same thing. Now your question must be, it's not same. A minus b, b minus a is not same. Yes, it's not same, but due to this power 2, it is becoming same. In this a minus b whole square, if you will take minus common, it will become b minus a. But whatever you have taken out common, that will also take the power 2. Okay, if you have taken minus 1 common, that will also take the power 2. It minus 1 will take power 2, and then b minus a will also take power 2. Minus 1 taking power 2 will be plus 1 and b minus a. That we call it as a b minus a whole square. Getting it? But yes, in reality, a minus b and b minus a is not same. Getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this is one of the way of doing it. First, how I would suggest you the easiest way is 4x square we are having. Let me write it quickly and let me summarize everything. We are having 4x square, we are having 3y square, we are having 16z square, we are having minus 4 root 3 xy, we are having plus 8 root 3 yz, and we are having minus 16 xz. What we will do over here, first we will try making the first 3 terms square, complete square. 4x square, if you want to write it as a complete square of any number, it will be 2x whole square. This 3y square can be written as root 3y whole square. 16z square, we are trying to write it a numbers complete square, a numbers complete square. Okay, so we can write it as a 4z whole square. Now by yourself, you try writing 2ab, 2bc, 2ca, okay? Or maybe 2xy, 2yz, 2zx. By yourself, you write it. Don't look at the questions part. So 2 into first term into second term. Then 2 into second term, plus sign, minus sign, still we are not sure. Okay, first we will check whether the terms exactly matching or not. Then 2, the last term into first term. And now check it whether these terms are there in your question or not. So yeah, we can check 4 root 3 is there, 4 root 3 xy is there, 8 root 3 yz is there, and then we can check 4 2 times 8 2 times 16, 16 zx is there. Now only confusion left is the sign, plus sign or minus sign. Okay, so here when we have done the multiplication, this is negative, so the chances are any one is negative over here. Any one is negative. So you can check, you can take the first term as a negative, or maybe you can take the second term as a negative. Suppose this time I have taken second term as a negative. Any one is negative, then only here minus is there in the question. Okay, now the next one we will match. 8 root 3 yz we are having, but that is positive. That is positive. Second one is already negative, but the product of second and third is positive. So maybe the last one is also negative. Then only minus multiplied together is plus. Okay. Now let's check the last part. 16z, are we having in hand? Yeah, we have broken it perfectly. Now minus sign is there. Product of the last and the first one is negative. Any one is negative. Okay, last one already we have taken negative. That means first we have to keep positive. It is negative. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it crystal clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this is how you have to do it. Okay, first don't just look at the question, try breaking it and all. Just first